Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a very simple tofu dish, deep fried tofu with chili garlic oil. So I have 2 pieces of fried tofu, 2 stalks of spring onion. For the spring onion, I cut into 1-inch length, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic oil. This is the chili garlic oil. It's a homemade chili garlic oil. I have uploaded this video before. I will also share the link down below this video as well. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of garlic oil. If you do not have garlic oil, you can use normal vegetable oil or normal cooking oil. And I'll be using water as well. This is going to be a very quick and simple dish for lunch. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and cut up the tofu. For the tofu, we're just going to cut it into bite size. So for 1 piece of tofu, I'm going to cut it into 9 pieces, just like that. Alright, this is the tofu. It's ready cut. To deep fry the tofu, because tofu have a bit of moisture or the water, if you want, you can just sprinkle it with flour. But for today, I'm just going to go ahead and just fry it like this. It might be a bit of oil splash while frying it. So I have hot oil in the pan. We're going to put in the tofu. Just be careful of oil splash when you're putting it this. Just going to deep fry it for a couple of minutes. After 2 minutes, going to continue to cook for another 1 more minute, then we can take it off from the hot oil. Alright, the tofu is ready. Now I am going to take it off from the oil. So we're going to just pick it and put it on the strainer. Let the tofu to drop off all the excessive oil. Now I'm going to switch off the heat. Put it aside. In the same pan, I'm going to remove the excessive oil from here. We take off all the oil. Switch on the heat again. Now I'm going to put in the garlic oil that we have. Garlic oil will give out a very nice fragrance of the garlic. And the chili garlic oil. Oyster sauce. Put in 1 tablespoon of water. So we just cook all these ingredients together for just about 30 seconds. Don't cook too long because it might burn the chili. And now we're putting in the spring onions. Switch off the heat. Now can give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, if you want to add on more seasoning like sugar or more oyster sauce, you can do so. But for this one, it's already delicious. So put in the fried tofu. Just give it a mix. Oh, look at that. It looks so yummy. If you like tofu and you like spicy food, this may be the recipe for you. Alright, that is ready. We can dish out and serve. This is very simple tofu dish. With less than 5 minutes, you can have a very nice tofu dish to serve your family for lunch. Let's eat. This is best served with rice, but today I do not have rice. Just try it by itself. Wow, very delicious. The tofu cooked just perfectly. It's not too chewy and it's not too soft. And the sauce is very delicious, very tasty and flavorful. And the nice fragrance of the chili oil and spring onions with the delicious chili oil sauce. It blends so well together with deep fried tofu. It's so lovely. I love it. If you happen to try the recipe, do share the outcome with me in the comment down below this video. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.